Creating a standout YouTube channel is easier than you think. Start by making a YouTube account and choosing a name that reflects your niche, something catchy and memorable. Next, design a visually appealing banner and profile picture using free tools like Canva to keep your branding on point. Head to the About section to write a compelling channel description and add links to your social media or website. Then, organize your channel layout to make it user-friendly. Use playlists to group similar videos and guide viewers to the content they love. Don't forget to verify your account to unlock features like custom thumbnails, which help your videos grab attention. Once your channel is set, focus on posting high-quality content consistently, as this is key to growing your audience. Don't forget to engage with your viewers. Reply to comments, ask questions, and build a community around your content. Regularly analyze your channel's analytics to see what's working and where you can improve. Consider collaborating with other creators in your niche to reach a broader audience. With all this in place, your channel isn't just ready, it's set up for success. Stay tuned for the next step: planning and creating your first videos. Like, subscribe, and let's get started.